Hi my friends, in this tutorial I will be show um, the three free screen recorders programs. First of all, it's free Cam 8, ShareX and Debut video capture software. You can download these softwares from sites free Cam 8 from software from site free Cam sites. After you download and install this program, the program will create a shortcut like this. Also, you can download these programs from the description of this video. In the description there will be links. You can download these programs from the description of video. First of all, we'll test FreeCam 8 for recording screen. In this program there is a few functions. For example, here new recording and browse files that we recorded. New record. Here you can resize your arrays that you want to screen. You can do it manually, or you can do it here. You can type the size in here. Also here we have resolutions, options. You can look in this area these functions, and here unmute mic or mute mic. It's for microphone. This red button is start new screen record. If you press this button, the recording of the screen will be start in 3 seconds. Now is screen is recording. Okay. If you want to stop the screen, you need to click here. You can preview, look for watch your video that you record. Also, you can save this video in your computer. For example, save as video to FreeCam. I will delete these files. Okay, save. Yes. Here you can test the save file. As you can see, it's the saved file of screen recording. The next program is ShareX. This program is also free program. You don't need to pay for this program. In this program we have more function than FreeCam 8. Open program. Also you can download this program in this site. From this site you can download this program and install. Also the download link I will be put the download link to description the video. You can find it there. We have here more function in this program. You can screen the print screen. Also you can record the screen here. This is the hot case. You can use it. Control print screen, Alt print screen, Shift print screen, and Control Shift print screen. You can do it from here from this screen recording. If you click this button, the screen it's area that you can um, select area that you want to screen to capture to record the screen. For example, I select this area or this area or this area, this full screen area. Now this recording the screen is starts. I will be open Google Chrome. Few seconds. Now, if you click this button, the file will be saved in your computer here automatically. We can test this file. We can open. As you can see, it's the file that we record from screen. Also, you can start screen with pressing button Shift and print screen, and you can stop the screen recording. Press Shift and press print screen. It's very simple program, but it works very well, and functions here more, but it's taking few resources of your computer and working fast than FreeCam 8. Next program is debut video capture software. Here we have functions, as you can see, optional effects, select recording windows. You can select here, or you can use webcam, device, network recordings, and here we have options. You can test these options and effects. I will be test this program for recording. Start recording. Here you can start recording with use Ctrl plus F10. Press Ctrl and press F10, and the recording will be start. Start recording after 3 minutes. Now recording starts. For example. Also you can download this program from site, debut video capture software site, or you can download it from description of this video. If you want to stop the video, recording video, you need to press this button and press stop, or you can press F7 button. Okay. The video, the recorded video is set in this folder here, debut 7. Here this video is video is recorded from screen, as you can see. Okay, this video program debut video capture is also working fine, working fast. Here also there is many functions. You can test these functions or effects. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorials.